Hey everyone, this is the fidget cube from Miss Crystal May, 10 at $1.25. Copy the list. And go live. 11:46. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 11:46. And we have an 8. 11:46. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, we still have 10 items on the list. Miss Vicki Barnett is on the top. Miss Naomi Bodner is on the bottom. Randomized 7 times. The dice call for an 8. 11:46. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 3, Miss Dorothy Ponder is the winner. Congrats, Miss Dorothy. 10 items on the list. 8 times. The dice call for an 8. Your verified code. And we are done at 11:46, rolling over to 11:47. Thanks, everyone.